If you need to replace an image in Figma quickly, this tutorial is going to walk you through the simplest methods step by step. Whether you're updating a mockup, swapping in a new product photo, or just fixing an old image, Figma makes it easy once you know where to click. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design and go to the frame or canvas where the image you want to change is located. Once you've found it, click directly on the image you want to replace. When you select it, you should see a toolbar appear near the top or around the selected object, depending on your layout and setup. Now look for the image icon in that toolbar. This is the option you'll use to swap out the current image. Go ahead and click the image icon. As soon as you do that, Figma will prompt you to choose a new image from your computer or from wherever you keep your files. This is the part where you can browse for the updated image you want to use. Select the new image you want to replace the old one with, then confirm your choice. Figma will automatically apply the new image to that selected element, keeping the placement and design structure in place. That means you don't have to rebuild the layout from scratch or manually resize everything unless you want to. This is really helpful when you're working on design files with placeholders, product shots, profile photos, or UI mockups that need fast updates. Instead of deleting the old image and adding a new one separately, you can simply replace it in just a few clicks and keep your workflow moving. And that's all there is to it. To replace images in Figma, select the image, click the image icon in the toolbar, and choose the new image you want to swap in. It's fast, simple, and one of those small Figma tricks that can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick design tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.